How long have you worked here?
10 years. I am a mechanical designer. Basically, I design and, we design cranes here and what they do out in the shop and everything. We do the parts and components for everything. And then if there's any changes or anything we have to do, we also do the markups and everything, the fix up, the as-built, whatever you want to call it.
My name is Angel Passarelli, and I do the marketing here at American Crane. My title is Creative Media and Marketing Strategist. I graduated from high school and then went on and I studied communications with a focus in digital media in college.
Like maintenance, mechanic. I went to school for automotive at UTI. Did carpentry and VOTEC. Yeah, I'm like all over the place.
So what kind of machinery do you use?
Cranes, mainly like hand tools.
A typical day of work for me. Well, let's see. When I come in the morning, the first thing that I always try to do is I deal with the emails and make sure I respond, make sure I print whatever. And then as the day goes on, I'm either talking to employees about questions that they may have, or right now we're going through open enrollment for our insurance benefits, so there's a lot of questions about that.